Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP JPY, British Pound Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of GBP JPY in front of us right now, and at last GBP JPY has broke the narrow range of 153.70 on the upside and 152.70 on the downside. So at last you can see that it has broke the level and going up from here, but things are still not much very positive for GBP JPY. So let's try to understand what are the next trading opportunities for us right now. So as the trend as it has already broke the narrow range here, so this line at the bottom is no more required. Market is trading at 154.14. this is the current market price here, and if I zoom out the chart, then you can see that apart from this black line, which was previously the resistance, previously it was the resistance, therefore this will be the new support for the market. So 153.70 is the new support for GBP JPY. Clear? So apart from this line in the middle, you can see we also have this trend line at the top as the dynamic resistance in the market, or in simple words, whenever market tries to go up, it faces resistance from this trend line. Therefore there is a good possibility that market will be facing the same resistance again at the trend line. And if you just observe the present condition of the market here, then you can see that though market has crossed the narrow range here, but we do not have much buying power in the market right now. So as a result, there is a good possibility of market reversing from the trend line, because buyers are not much in a dominant role. Therefore this makes the first trading opportunity shorting or taking a sell position at the trend line. So if GBP JPY reverses from the trend line, you can take a sell position. This won't be a very big trade. You'll be taking a sell position at around 154.20 or 25, and your take profit target will be 153.80. Clear? So around 40-50 pips trade, but still not bad, very good. So if market reverses from the trend line, you can take a sell position, and this will be your take profit target. Clear? That is your first trading opportunity. And if market comes down to the level of 153.70, if market comes down to the level of 153.70, let me show you on the 1 hour chart. It will be easier for you to understand. See, if market comes down and retests the level here, I'm talking about this line in the middle. If market bounces, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, 153.70, which was previously the resistance, is really the new support for the market, and you can take a buy. And you can take a buy position at 153.70 level. This makes it the second trading opportunity. So if market goes up and reverses from the trend line at the top, this is your first trading opportunity by taking a sell order. And if market comes down and bounces from the new support of 153.70, we can take a buy position, and this is our second trading opportunity. Okay, so these are the two trading opportunities that I see on the chart of GBP JPY right now. So that's it. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow again.